Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I will show you how to install Python 3.14.7 on Windows 11. After installing Python, we will open IDLE and run our first program by printing a simple message. So let's get started. Open web browser, go to Google, go to search, type download Python, hit enter, click on first link, download Python. Now the Python official website is open. Click Python 3.14.7. Now the downloading is started. It is 31.7 MB setup file. Now the downloading is completed. Let's right click on it. Click open file. Check add Python exe to path. Check use admin privileges when installing py.exe. Click install now. Click yes. Close web browser. You will have to wait until the installation is completed. Setup was successful. After Python installation, let us verify the Python version. Click close. Go to search. Type cmd. Click command prompt. Type python space hyphen version. Hit enter. Now you can see the Python version 3.14.7. Close command prompt. Now let's print something. Go to search. Type IDLE. Click open. Type print bracket open inverted comma welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech inverted comma bracket close. Hit enter. You can see the output. Welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. You can also save this file. Click on file. Click save. Click desktop. Type file name rt.py. Click save. As you can see, the file appears on desktop. Close IDLE. So viewers, in this video tutorial, you can learn how to install Python 3.14.7 on Windows 11 and Windows 10 as well. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.